Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Hub. Guys, if you want to play Android games on your PC, but you don't want to use heavy emulator like BlueStack or Nox Player, then this video will help you a lot. Today I will show you how you can play Android games on your Windows PC by using official Google Play Games application. Yes, you heard right. This is not any third party emulator. This is Google own software. Now it is available in a very stable version, so you can download and install it and you can play games. Let's start with the installation step by step. Okay, first of all, open your favorite browser and type Google Play Games, press enter, and then you will see some results. Check this one, play.google.com. Let's open it in a new tab. And you are here on the official website of Google Play Games. Here the setup is available to download. Check this button. Just click on this button to download Google Play Game exe file. Once you click, downloading will start. Okay, so exe file is downloaded. Before going to install it, let me tell you the system requirement for the installation and playing the games. Okay, these are the minimum system requirements that we need. At least you must have Windows 10 or later version. SSD is required, and at least 10 GB of space must be available because this will take some storage space from your drive because we will download the games and we will install it. And then you must have the Intel Ultra HD graphics processor 630 GPU or later or the latest one if you have. And this CPU must have at least 4 physical cores. If we have more than, then you will get a very smooth experience. 8 GB of minimum RAM required for this, and then you must have the Windows admin account, means you are working with the admin account. And then we need to check virtualization is enabled for our system or not. Don't worry, I will tell you how you can check it. Go to the task manager and come to here, click on the performance tab, and then you will see the CPU. Just click on it, come to here, and you will see the option virtualization enabled. In most of the cases, the new laptops are coming in the market. By default, these options will be enabled, and maybe this will be enabled for you. In some cases, this is default disabled in your system. Then you have to go into the BIOS setting or UEFI settings of your system and go there. Please enable it, and then we can continue. I'm assuming you have enabled the virtualization. Let's click on this exe for the installation. The very first window we will see, click yes. Okay, this pop-up installer will appear in front of you. And this is a default location, click next. So this will start downloading. If you have a very good internet speed, this process will be very quick. Otherwise, this will take time. Once the installation will be successful, you will see this splash screen, Google Play Games. This is loading. Wait for seconds. And then you will see a welcome screen. So friends, you have to use your Google ID to log in. Enter your Gmail ID and password and log in, and then you will see a message, sign in successful, and then you will see this home screen. And this is your profile name. Seems good. Click on this button. These are the terms and conditions that from the Google Play. Accept it. Click finish. Okay, final setup is done. Now we are on the home of the Google Play Games home screen. Here you can see some interface, and there are some options like home, library, search option. Let's check about the profiles. Once you click on this icon, this will show you profile details. And there's a home, like whatever the new games are coming, that will be suggestion or the provided by the Google will appear here. Also, we have the library section. Once you click on that button, you will see all the downloaded games by you will appear at this place. As you can see, I have downloaded these games. I have tried. These games are working flawlessly, very smooth experience, no lagging and no ads there. Also, we have the search button. You can simply click and you can search by using some filters like these filters available, and you can search your favorite games here. As of now, I have tried few games. See one of the example, this Traffic Rider. Let's open this game and we will see the is it working properly or not on our system. So I'm doing this in fast forward way to save some time. See this. I have tried this games. I have played this game 5 to 10 minutes. After then I found this is a satisfactory setup that will give you a smooth experience. You will not face any lagging. Let's check the another game I have downloaded and installed. This is very simple way. And first time this will take some time because the loading is required for this game. Once the downloading is done, you will see this is this will work flawlessly and you will not face any lagging in this game while playing. Also, we have the options. You can simply click the keyboard settings, like what controls you want to use while playing the game. You can adjust everything here. Okay, there is the options to set the screen resolution. If you want to improve the performance, simply set the less resolution. If you go the higher resolution, then the performance will decrease. But choose whatever the best for you. Let's move. I'm showing you the example that this game is working properly on the system, and I have no problem. I have faced no ads, no crashes, because of this is not using any heavy resource from your system, because this is not emulator, this is the direct application, this is official application provided by the Google. Let me remind you one thing, you can play only the supported games. This Google Play Games is only for the games. You cannot install the normal Android apps on it. So friends, this method help you to get rid of the heavy emulators, and you can get rid of the tension of ads, game crashes, and you will get a smooth gaming experience with this Google Play Games software. So guys, you can enjoy your games. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Hit like button and subscribe to appreciate. And I will see you in your next video. Thanks for watching. Cool IT help.